Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news, which was coming from Deepinder Goyal. Deepinder Goyal bought 5 acres for ₹79 crore in Delhi's biggest land deal in fiscal year 2024. The land purchased is in Dera Mandi, which is a popular market in the heart of Old Delhi, India. There were 29 land deals that have been concluded in the National Capital Region, NCR, which includes New Delhi and areas around it like Gurugram and Noida, in the last financial year ending March 2024. This transaction was the largest land deal in Delhi during this period, overshadowing other major transactions that primarily occurred in Gurugram and Noida. In other large transactions, Ganga Realty buys 8.35-acre parcel in Gurugram's Sector 84 for ₹132 crore, while Experian Developers purchases 4-acre plot on Golf Course Road for ₹400 crore. Most of the land deals, 22 out of the 29, were in Gurugram, and there was only one large land deal Delhi, and the buyer was none other than Deepinder Goyal, most top land buyers in Delhi. 25 out of 29 are real estate developers planning residential societies on acquired properties. Let's move on to next news. Haryana RERA imposes ₹50 lakh penalty on developer for misleading advertisement. Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority Haryana RERA, Gurugram, has imposed a penalty of ₹50 lakh on Countrywide Promoters Private Limited for publishing a misleading advertisement. Countrywide is developing an affordable plotted colony Green Oaks at Sector 70 in Gurugram. The authority noted that in the 2-page advertisement, one full page contains a photo of a garden park, Garden of Dreams, and the other page displays a picture of a club, which is not part of the project. The order stated that the advertisement shows facilities available which clearly are not part of the project, like squash court, state-of-the-art clubhouse, covered pool and spa, outdoor library, rejuvenating sculptural rocks, coffee launch counter, etc. It is all misleading the prospective, which amounts to a violation of Section 7. Let's move on to next news. Amitabh Bachchan buys land parcel in Alibag to build luxury villa in beach town. Amitabh has recently purchased a land parcel in the coastal town of Alibag, near Mumbai, with the intention of constructing a luxurious villa. The beach town is well known for its sea view properties owned by affluent and celebrated individuals. Actor purchases quarter-acre land from the house of Abhinandan Lodha for over ₹10 crore, transaction registered last week. This acquisition follows another land purchase by the veteran actor in January, where he acquired a plot in a 7-star mixed-use development of the developer. In December, the actor leased 4 office properties in Mumbai's Andheri suburb to Warner Music India. Let's move on to next news. Macrotech Developers Q4 profit down 11% to ₹665 crore. Macrotech Developers, also known as Lodha Developers, announced their results for the quarter ended March 2024 and reported 11% year-on-year decline in profits to ₹665 crore. However, for the full year, the company registered a threefold jump in profit to ₹1,549 crore. The company has achieved its guidance of reducing their net debt well below 0.5x of equity. Robust cash flow through sales as well multiple capital raises have led to net debt coming down by over ₹4,000 crore during the year to about ₹3,000 crore, which is less than 0.2x of equity. The company, which is currently active in Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore, may enter a 4th city as it expands its operations. Let's move on to next news. Indiabulls real estate loss widens to ₹1,038 crore in fiscal year 2024. Indiabulls Real Estate Ltd (IBREL) continued its downward trajectory with another quarter of widening losses, the company has posted for net loss at rupee 1038 crore, which are significantly higher than the net loss of rupee 608 crore in 2020 to 2023. Total income also fell to rupee 469 crore during 2023 to 24 from rupee 648 crore in the preceding year. Indiabulls real estate is way past its glorious days when it listed in 2007 at a price of rupee 380 and currently trades at rupee 136 after 17 years. Let's move on to next news. WeWork India leases 1.83 lakh square feet for new co-working centers in Gurugram, Pune. WeWork India continues its expansion plans as it announced the leasing of 2 more centers in Gurugram and Pune respectively. The 2 centers in Gurugram and Pune, comprising 3,100 desks, are expected to open in the next couple of months. The new center in Gurugram's MG Road Market, HQ 27, would be spread over 96,000 square feet with 1,480 plus desks. The new center in Pune will be located within the mall complex, Amnora Mall. It will be spread over 87,000 square feet with 1,700 plus desks. WeWork has over 8 million square feet of assets signed across 54 locations in New Delhi, Gurugram, Noida, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune and Hyderabad. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate, do subscribe our channel now.